Rooster! Good shot, boys. Got a mark? Okay, come here, Charlie. Dead bird. Dead bird. Come here, Charlie. Dead bird in here. Dead bird in here. Dead bird in here. Dead bird. Dead bird in here. Find it. Good girl. Good girl. Got it. Got it. I got you. I got you. I got it. Good job, Charlie. Charlie, I got it. Come here, Charlie. Come here, Charlie. I got a dead bird back here, Charlie. Come here. Dead bird. Dead bird. Oh, shit. Dead bird back here. Dead bird. Where is it? Find it. Do you see it? I didn't know you're behind me. You got it? Oh, I got mine. Oh, right here. I got it. Hold up. I got another one over here. Come here, Charlie. Charlie. I've got one right over here. Come here. Hey, dead bird over here. Dead bird over here. Oh, Charlie got a good girl. Good job, Charlie. Nope, got it. You're welcome. Bring it here, topper. Okay. Bring it here, top. Topper. Bring it here. Bring it here, top. Topper. Bring it here. Bring it here. Oh, good boy, top. Good boy. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Topper. Drop it. Good boy. Good boy, top. Hey. Yeah, good boy. Well, I let some. Christy shot.
I shot, but I don't know if I got it.
I don't think you did, but either way. Good shot. Got a mark. What in the God's... I don't know. They generally do. As a robo bird. God bless America. I don't get easier than that. Okay. I got two birds. Oh. Come on, Slam.
Did Grant get that? No, he can give me a shot.
I left it as long as I could. Oh my goodness, Dad. That's about as far out as I was gonna let it go. Squidgy. Ow, come on. Yeah, it was. I got one. Huh? Damn it. I had a gun malfunction. No dog work, that's for sure. See if I can get up here and get this bird. Where you at, Topper? Topper. Bring it here. Topper will eat it. Oh no, you don't have it. Up here, bird in here. Good job, Daisy. Got the bird? Nope, bird in here. Right in here's where it's at. Find me that bird. Find that bird. Dead bird. Dead bird. You got it, Tom? Dead bird in here. Who's got it? You got it, Tom? Where's that bird? Who's got it? You got it, Daisy? No, Charlie. Who's somebody? Bring it here. Bring me that bird. Oh, Daisy got it. Good girl, Daisy. Good girl. I see you had it. Good job, baby. Gramps!
Another one.
I tried to wait on him. Where's Gramps at? Here, we've got a bird over here. Come on, Charlie. Dead bird. Right in front of the shrub. Come here, Charlie. Dead bird. I don't think he's dead. Bird in here. Bird in here. Here. Bird in here. Bird in here, Charlie. Bird in here. Dead bird. Dead bird. Good job, Charlie. Good girl. Good girl. I got you. Good job. I got it. I got it. Good job, Charlie. Good job. Good job. What do you think? What do you think, Charlie? Yep. Nope. None of that, boy. Good job, Charlie. Give me that bird. Bring it here, Charles. Bring it here, Charlie. Come on. Oh, quail. Die, bitch! What do you mean? Bring it here. Who's on it? Topper, bring it here. I gotta go get it, he'll eat it. Come here, Topper! He didn't get it. That was hard. He flew over my head, I had a spin. So go ahead and walk this corner out. Yeah, I'm going. I'm waiting on your mom. Easy, girls. Right here. Easy. Hey, we got a dead bird here. Bring me that bird. Still. Who's got it? Give me that bird. Yeah. I thought that bird might be on the edge. Here we go, Charlie. Find me this bird. There's a dead bird in here. Dead bird in here.
Yeah, you're about right in here.
Okay, okay. He's saying this is close. Gotta keep an eye on all the dogs. Where's? Stay here. Daisy. Stay right. Where you at, Daisy? Where you at, Daisy? Nope. Come on, dead bird in here. Hey, dead bird in here. Dead bird in here. Come on, Charlie. Dead bird in here. Come here, Daisy. Find us a bird. Dead bird in here. Find it. Find it. Find it. Give me the dead bird. Let's go. Give me that dead bird. Give me that dead bird. Give me that dead bird in here. Dead bird in here. Dead bird. Come on, find it. Dead bird in here. Find me that bird. That's about right. I kind of felt like right in here. Dead bird in here. Dead bird in here. Dead bird, Daisy. Dead bird. Dead bird. Find me a bird. Dead bird in here. What do you think? Come on, find me a bird. Dead bird in here. Oh, come on, girls. I want that bird. Okay. Come on, find me that bird. Give me just a little bit more. I know we're in the ballpark. I'm gonna walk just a little bit closer in. I can zigzag pattern because I don't know that it made it quite to the edge, but it looked close. That's what I thought too. Come on, dead bird in here. Dead bird in here, Daisy. Help me find it. Come on, girls. Help me find it. Oh. Dead bird in here. Dead bird in here. Come on, help me find it. Dead bird. Dead bird in here. Dead bird in here. Dead bird. Who's got it? Find me that bird. Find me that bird. Come on, girl. Find me that bird. Find me that bird. No. Come on. Dead bird in here. Dead bird. Dead bird. Who's got it? Come on, Daisy. Come on. Daisy. Find me this bird. I really, really want to find this bird. Come on, Charlie. Give me a bird. Give me a bird. Well. Let me look and see if maybe it went just a little further out in this. It could. I mean, I really, stay right here. I really think it was about like right in here.
Like it should have been right here when I look back.
Oh, how about right here?
Oh, fuck.
Charles,
Jesus.
dead bird. There you go. Good job. Stop.
Found it. It's right behind me. Hey, maybe I was just supposed to stop right here for
Hey, we'll take it.
teamwork.
For sure. Woo! Okay, keep it. Come on, Charlie. Come on. Screw you. Dang. I know. Good job. I got one. I got a line. No, you got it. Shit, I was putting a shell in my gun from the last one. I got a line. I don't know. I thought I saw Topper jet right by him. Well, I'm saying he might be chasing him. Yeah, my line was this right here. What do you think, Charlie? Charlie might be on it. Bird in here. Charlie got it. Good job, Charlie. Good job, Charlie. Good girl. Come on. Go get him. Look at that bird. That bird, get him. Get him, Charlie. Good girl, Charlie. Bring it in. Nothing.
You got that one.
Yep. Here, Charlie, come here. Charlie, come here. Right here, Charlie. Right here, Charlie. Charlie, dead bird right here. Dead bird right here. Dead bird right here. Dead bird right here. Got it? Where's that? Dead bird in here. Right here. Good job. I got it. Good job, Charlie. Hey, dead bird.